Larry! Are you afraid I'm gonna make you faint? Larry! Oh, you fainted. Come here, buddy. I'm just messing with you. You're all right. So we decided to do a burnout today. Those are the tires that are normally on the car. Big sticky Mickey Thompsons, and I've got these little 14 inchers on here for while I'm doing body work so I don't tear up his brand new wheels. And they are about 4.5 inches narrower. And they're 14s and they're old, skinny. So we decided to have some fun. We're gonna go roast them off and see what it does. Are you ready, El Capitan? All right. That's a good 8th mile. All right. Yeah, so these tires were pretty close to new when we started. 4 burnouts and a 180 donut later, and they are done. Hashed. They went from that to